When a man practices semen retention, the transformation does not begin on the surface, it begins at the core. The body stops operating in a state of constant depletion and enters one of conservation and restoration. Every system that was previously forced to compensate now has the chance to stabilize. The skin, being the largest and most visible organ, becomes one of the first places where this internal shift quietly reveals itself. Hydration improves not because of external effort, but because the body finally has the reserves to maintain itself. Most men misunderstand hydration. They believe it is about water intake alone. In reality, hydration is about cellular retention, mineral balance, and hormonal regulation. A body that is overstimulated, inflamed, and constantly releasing vital fluid struggles to hold water at the cellular level. Semen retention changes this equation. It reduces internal chaos and allows cells to bind water efficiently, giving the skin a fuller, healthier appearance. Semen contains water-bound nutrients, trace minerals, amino acids, and bioactive compounds. Frequent loss forces the body into a cycle of emergency replenishment. When this loss stops, the body shifts from survival to optimization. Skin cells receive better nourishment, lipid barriers strengthen, and moisture loss through the epidermis decreases. This is why the skin no longer feels tight, dry, or fragile, it becomes resilient. Stress is one of the most dehydrating forces in the human body. Chronic dopamine spikes, overstimulation, and compulsive release elevate cortisol. Cortisol strips moisture from tissues, thins the skin, and disrupts oil balance. Semen retention lowers baseline cortisol over time, calming the nervous system. As stress hormones normalize, the skin regains its ability to self-regulate hydration. The nervous system plays a silent but decisive role in skin health. A man constantly chasing stimulation lives in sympathetic overdrive. Blood flow becomes erratic, digestion weakens, and nutrient absorption suffers. Retention activates parasympathetic dominance, the rest and repair state. In this mode, circulation becomes efficient, delivering hydration and nutrients evenly to the skin. Testosterone balance is another critical factor. Contrary to popular belief, stable testosterone supports skin thickness and collagen integrity. Retention prevents erratic hormonal crashes and receptor desensitization. Collagen fibers become denser, allowing the skin to trap moisture more effectively. Hydrated skin is not shiny, it is structurally supported, firm, and calm. Inflammation dries the skin from the inside out. Excessive stimulation elevates inflammatory markers that disrupt the skin barrier. Retention reduces this internal inflammation by improving insulin sensitivity, gut health, and sleep quality. When inflammation drops, the skin's natural moisture barrier repairs itself, preventing water loss. Sleep deepens on semen retention. Deep sleep is when growth hormone peaks, and growth hormone governs tissue repair and hydration retention. During these hours, the skin rebuilds its lipid matrix, sealing in moisture. A retained man often wakes with skin that looks rested, not because of sleep duration alone, but because sleep quality has improved. Hydrated skin is not oily skin. Many men confuse the two. Oiliness is often a compensation for dehydration. When the skin barrier is weak, sebaceous glands overproduce oil to protect it. Retention restores balance. Oil production normalizes because hydration is adequate. The skin looks clean, not greasy. The face carries the story of internal discipline. When the body is no longer leaking energy, the face stops signaling fatigue. Fine lines soften, dullness fades, and texture evens out. This is not vanity, it is biological honesty. The skin reflects internal order. Retention also changes behavior unconsciously. Men touch their faces less, fidget less, and move with more stillness. Reduced mechanical irritation protects the skin barrier. Small behavioral shifts compound into visible change. Zinc plays a central role in skin hydration and repair. Semen is zinc-rich. Retention preserves zinc levels, supporting enzymatic processes responsible for skin renewal. Adequate zinc allows faster cell turnover and stronger moisture retention. Water distribution in the body improves when hormonal rhythms stabilize. Retention aligns circadian patterns, allowing hydration to reach peripheral tissues like the skin. This is why hands, lips, and under-eye areas improve over time. The glow people notice is not cosmetic, it is vascular and cellular. Improved circulation delivers oxygen and hydration evenly. Capillaries function efficiently, giving the skin a subtle vitality that cannot be replicated artificially. Skin elasticity depends on internal pressure and hydration. Retention increases intracellular fluid volume, giving the skin a plump, youthful resilience. This effect builds gradually, not overnight, reinforcing discipline and patience. Men often report that their skin feels alive. This is not imagination. Hydrated tissue conducts nerve signals better. Sensation improves. The skin becomes responsive, not dull. Digestive efficiency improves during retention. Better digestion means better absorption of water-soluble vitamins like B-complex and vitamin C, both critical for skin hydration and repair. Retention reduces compulsive behaviors that sabotage hydration, such as excessive caffeine, sugar, or late-night eating. The body naturally seeks balance when discipline is restored. The skin becomes a feedback system. When retention is strong, hydration remains stable. When discipline slips, dryness returns. The body teaches through reflection. This transformation is quiet. No one announces it. People simply notice that you look composed, clean, and well. Hydrated skin signals internal self-respect. Modern men attempt to fix externally what must be corrected internally. Retention reverses this approach. The body heals first, appearance follows. The skin does not lie. It reveals whether a man is conserving or depleting. Hydration is the signature of conservation. Over time, the face becomes less reactive. Redness decreases. Sensitivity lowers. The skin trusts the body again. Retention aligns the endocrine system. Balanced hormones create predictable hydration cycles, eliminating dryness spikes. Hydrated skin enhances presence. People subconsciously associate it with health, stability, and self-mastery. This is why retained men often receive unsolicited comments about looking different. The difference is internal order. Retention teaches the body that resources are not being wasted. It responds by investing in maintenance. As retention deepens, the body enters a state of biological confidence. It no longer anticipates loss, so it no longer rushes processes. Hydration becomes steady instead of reactive. The skin stops swinging between dryness and oiliness because the internal environment has stabilized. This steadiness reflects a man who is no longer impulsive, no longer scattered, but rooted in control. The skin barrier is a living structure, constantly renewing itself. When nutrients and water are scarce, this barrier weakens and leaks moisture. Retention ensures a consistent internal supply, allowing the barrier to thicken and strengthen. Over time, the skin becomes less affected by weather, stress, or lack of sleep. It holds its integrity the same way a disciplined man holds his composure. Microcirculation improves quietly during semen retention. Blood vessels become more responsive, delivering hydration precisely where it is needed. This is why the skin tone evens out and the face appears balanced rather than patchy or fatigued. The body is no longer compensating, it is optimizing. Retention also improves lymphatic drainage, an often ignored factor in skin health. When waste is cleared efficiently, tissues retain clean hydration rather than stagnant fluid. Puffiness reduces. Facial definition improves. The skin looks firm, not bloated. This is hydration with structure, not softness without strength. There is a reason ancient systems associated semen conservation with vitality and glow. They observed patterns long before modern science explained mechanisms. When vital energy is preserved, the body reallocates resources to long-term maintenance. The skin, being highly resource-sensitive, reflects this shift faster than most systems.